This is Total Telecom TV at the Telecom Congress with Ivo Rook of Sprint. Ivo, thanks for talking to us. Earlier this morning you gave a keynote around IoT. What were your sort of main messages to the market here?
Thank you, Brian. Obviously great to be here. The keynote was really about the fact that when you look at it, until now, mobile operators, have always been building networks for smartphones. And we have come at a pivotal moment where actually it is going to be about software rather than smartphones. So if you take the world of IoT seriously, and we do, and you believe that AI, robotics and autonomous will change the world, then you're actually saying that software is more important for networks than smartphones are. So we've made a big decision and built a network, we call it the Curiosity Network, which is the first network exclusively built for software, for IoT, with its own dedicated, distributed, virtualized core.
Now, you're a massive brand and you're obviously making a massive investment at the moment. Where do you see this taking us in the next 12 to 18 months?
You're right. It is, of course, a big investment to build a whole new network. The only thing we share is the spectrum, because, of course, that is the part that is quite precious and you want to be sharing. But why we're doing it is because software is powering use cases such as robotics, AI, and autonomous, as I said earlier. But where it really is going is the combination of video sensing, artificial intelligence, and machine learning in the cloud, which basically means that devices, robots, cars are become so clever that they almost become human-like. And once a camera sensor has seen something and it's got AI in the back, it can't unseen it anymore. So I see at this moment the combination of a video feed, video sensing with AI and endless training in the cloud as the new big thing.
Yes, I mean, with AI, there's a part of the market that fears it. There's a part of the market that can't wait to embrace it. I suspect that you're in the latter.
I have to embrace it, but that doesn't mean that we can't embrace it without being responsible. I do understand that there is a fear factor to artificial intelligence, because if things start to think of their own, how do we control what they think of? How comfortable do we feel when people are starting to think on our behalf, let alone machines start to think on our behalf? So we need to be conscious. We need to make sure that we take the disciplined approach towards security and privacy. But ultimately, AI will make things possible. It will close the digital divide, and it will bring us forward as society.
Sounds like a tremendous new era. Thank you very much for sharing that with us this morning.
Thank you, Brian.